We deal with the operational challenges of implementing governance and risk management requirements. Insurance entities need to implement appropriate governance and risk management procedures to help protect the interests of various stakeholders, especially the interests of the policyholders and other stakeholders, and to ensure financial strength and viability. These are usually woven around governance, risk management, and internal controls and suitability of persons. We will look at the challenges that are posed by such requirement for inclusive insurance market and possible solutions, opportunities to be used to help inclusive insurance organizations to adapt and meet these requirements. So in terms of governance, usually there are governance requirements for board of directors, for senior managers, for separations, and other governance requirements. For example, there could be governance on the composition of the board. They must have a certain minimum number of board members. There might be requirement on the need for mix of expertise and experience on the board. There might be the need for the presence of independent members. So there could be requirement for a certain percentage of the board membership to be independent. And independent could be defined in such a way that it could be extremely difficult to meet by entities in the informal insurance space. There are also requirements for board committees and their membership and their terms of reference. These could be quite complex and onerous for inclusive insurance entities. And so efforts should be made to simplify such requirements to suit the need and the size and the nature of business for the entities in the inclusive insurance space. We could look at things like the minimum board membership, how many minimum number of directors do we need? We could look at the issue about mix of expertise and experience, because the kind of expertise and experience that is available to the conventional insurers may not be available or affordable to the inclusive insurance space. Or even when you take a case of mutuals, the directors are members who have been selected, and within the membership, you may not find the kind of expertise that the law requires. And so these need to be simplified to enable the inclusive insurance entities to meet these governance requirements. The objective is not to waive these requirements, but to make alternative arrangements to adapt the requirements in such a way as to have governance arrangements that are suitable and possible, effective for the inclusive insurance